Let the children come to me, for theirs is the kingdom of God. Good morning, Honorable Principal Sir, dear teachers, and all my dear friends. At the very outset of this auspicious day, I wish you all Happy Children's Day.
Education is simply the soul of the society. As it passes from one generation to another through this sparkling juvenile. Dear children, you are God's wonderful gift to human society. It is who you made our school a happy home. This day is dedicated to the children to make you all feel you are loved, you are cared, and you are wanted.
It symbolizes divine presences. We have a rich tradition before we start any program. We invoke God's powerful presence through the lighting of lamp. May I now invite our Honorable Principal Sir to light the lamp and garland the portrait of Nehru to show our love and respect to the great soul.
Dear students and teachers, today is Teachers' Day and Students' Day. Wherever there are students, there are teachers also. So there's a day for both, although it is known as Children's Day. It is known as Children's Day. It is celebrated all over our country, everywhere. In all schools they celebrate it. This day was started with great fanfare. At the time, people had much more regards for Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was considered to be the leader of our nation at the time. We had the father of the nation, Gandhiji, the teacher of the nation in Dr. Radhakrishnan, and the leader of the nation in Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was a stalwart of our freedom struggle, right hand of Bapuji, and of course the builder of modern India. Any number of encomiums can be given to him for that particular aspect, building a modern India from almost nothing. Almost nothing. Once something is built, maintaining it is not so difficult, but building is very difficult. So Nehru took that onerous task on his shoulders with the help of course, many of his trusted deputies, efficient leaders. But Nehru's place cannot be taken for granted for anyone else. So it is meet that we celebrate his birthday as Children's Day. And another reason is he was very fond of children. Children called him Chacha Nehru. I have seen him at a function when he was speaking. After his speech, he straight, forgetting all protocols, he entered the children's enclosure. Very rarely you find something of that kind. He was extremely fond of children. And he wanted to be with children most of the time, if possible. So he had such a family association with children that it is meet that we celebrate this day as Children's Day. Over the years, I must say, the energies have come down a little. Earlier it used to be celebrated much, much better. I have seen the best of days and now the worst of days also. It is always like that. As time passes, old associations fade and new ones take greater closeness. It is quite natural. But Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru will never be forgotten in the history of India. He was one of the makers of the nation and will never be forgotten. And therefore, we show our respect for late Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and celebrate the day as Children's Day. While celebrating this Children's Day, children should understand one thing. Nehru wanted this day to be celebrated not as his birthday actually, but as Children's Day. Just as Dr. Radhakrishnan didn't want his birthday to be celebrated, he wanted it as Teachers' Day. Why it is so? There were leaders who wanted to show to the world that the children are the greatest assets of the country. They are the greatest assets of the country. Children, what do you think today? What do you think today? Our nation will think tomorrow. And the world will think day after. So it is your thought process that is going to work in the world all through. And the molding grounds for that, the schools. Schools have taken it with added spirit to celebrate this day. Most children are in schools. Children below 3 years are all in schools or colleges. The best place to groom children is the education institution. So what we do on these occasions help you to grow. I always tell children, remember, you should always keep growing. Always keep growing. Children's growth is in fact tantamount to nation's growth. So keep growing. And this opportunity of celebrating the Children's Day is taken as an occasion for grooming children also, bringing out their talents also, and they enjoy the day they enjoy. So let us celebrate this day with the true spirit with which the celebration was started. This is not an occasion for me to speak much. One more speaker is there, two more speakers are there who would be putting more light on this August day. And wishing you all the best on this occasion of Children's Day. I conclude. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for the great message you gave us. Your words will be always a ray of light in our paths. Let's seek the blessings of Almighty. I invite our school choir to sing school prayer song, Hey Sharadema.
स्वर की देवी है संगीत तुझसे, है शब्द तेरा है हर गीत तुझसे। हमसे हमारे मिटा दे अंधेरा, हमको उजाला का परिवार दे माँ, हे शारदे माँ।
Thank you, dear friends. Dance makes feet moves with a beat and radiant smiles to every face around. It has a power to make people to feed. We have our friends with the blissful moves to make our day special. I invite Archana.
મને ભૂલો બધી વાત પ્રેમની આ મૌસમ છે अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनी आ मौसम छे आई गई रात મને ભૂલો બધી વાત પ્રેમની આ मौसम छे अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनी आ मौसम छे मिल जाए मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो भूलूं मैं सारा सोगला तारा छबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात सोगला तारा ओए छबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात रे छुप छुप के तुम्हें देखा मैं करूं सारी सारी रात सारी सारी रात
छुप छुप के मुझे देखा तू कर सारी सारी रात सारी सारी रात।
मिल जाए मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो भूलूं मैं सारा सोगला तारा छबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात सोगला तारा ओए छबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात रे
Wow, that was amazing. This literally made this day unforgettable. Thank you, dear friends, for that great feast you serve. When a child speaks on Children's Day, it will be special. Pratibha is ready to share her thoughts on the importance and relevance of Children's Day with us. The stage is all yours, Pratibha.
Good morning, Honorable Chairperson. Good morning, respected Principal Sir, dear teachers and all my lovely friends. I am Pratibha of grade 9. Today, I would like to speak about Children's Day, about importance and relevance of Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated across India to increase the awareness of rights, care and education of children. It is celebrated on 14 November every year. Every year as a tribute to the birthday of our India's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, also known as Chacha Nehru. Nehru advocated for children to have all-rounded education and holistic development that would build a better society in the future. The history behind 14 November as Children's Day is celebrated as Children's Day because since the death of Nehru in 1964, teachers and students of every school come out of their daily routine to celebrate this day. Jawaharlal Nehru has immense hope and confidence in the children of India because they can play together without thinking of differences. He established Children's Film Society in 1955 so that the Indian children could see themselves represented. He enabled the establishment of very prominent educational institutions in India. It was his vision that led to the establishment of AIIMS for medicine, the IITs for engineering, and IIMS for management institutions. Nehru legacy continues to educate the children of India. He is known to have said that the children of today will make the India tomorrow. This day is a reminder that every child deserves education, nurturing, and the best of everything. Remember that. Keep the kid inside yourself alive, even if you're an adult. Thank you.
Pratibha, that was really informative. Now, let me invite our beloved teacher, Sujata, to share her thoughts with us.
Respected Principal Sir, my dear colleagues and all my dear children, a very, very good morning to all. And first of all, I would like to wish all the children a very, very happy Children's Day. I cherish every moment I spend with you and believe that you are our tomorrow. You are our tomorrow. You are the future of India. The fate of the country, the fate of our motherland lies in your hands. That is what I think. Now, as grown-ups, we are taking it forward with the values that we have learnt when we were as you all. When we were children, we learned from our teachers, our parents and elders, and also from our friends. Now, we as teachers believe that it's your time to develop all the qualities that are required, all the qualities. I just don't mean with acquiring simply the knowledge, the bookish knowledge. You have to act, means it should be put into practice. You should do a lot of hard work and also improve at the other things like the spoken skills, sports and games. Because a country doesn't just mean the future generation with just the bookish knowledge. The knowledge that you acquire, you're going to implement it. You're going to make it use. You have to use it and then make yourselves great and also the country great, your parents great. They should all feel proud. That is your main responsibility that lies in your hands. And the most important thing as children is you have to make use of all the opportunities that you get in your school life. This is the most cherished part of everyone's life. Even as a child, I cherish all the moments of my childhood and hope you also will have the same feeling when you grow up. And one more thing is, as children, you may not be completely knowing what is the importance of the school life or the knowledge or the importance of teachers, what the elders say, what the teachers say. But you have to follow them. Make it as a duty to follow. Because after growing up, it won't be the time to go on with these academics. You'll become too busy. That was the thought yesterday which was told and explained, that education, knowledge is the most valuable treasure which will always follow you wherever you go, whatever time. Knowledge is the real treasure we have to acquire. And with this, I hope you all got it, even the smaller ones. The main thing lies in how your teachers guide you, how your parents guide you. Follow them. You may feel it a little difficult to follow because your brain will be with so many other things also, whatever you see around. But you have the teachers and elders, your parents, to guide you in the right way. To guide you, they are just your guidance. Already you are with a lot of knowledge. You have many thoughts in your brains. And we are here to nurture them. We'll guide you, we'll show you the right way, that's all. The remaining, everything should be from your side. Hope you all understood this small point. Whatever the teachers, elders, your parents say, try to follow them. Okay? You may feel sometimes a little bit hard, but even then, I hope you all will do it. Do you all promise, children? That, yeah, Children's Day means just we are what? It is actually the birthday of Chacha Nehru, isn't it? And he didn't want to celebrate it by cutting a cake or distributing chocolates like you children. He wanted it to celebrate as Children's Day. Why? Because he has seen the beauty in you, and how much is in you will be brought up by all the elders and grown-ups around you. They give you chances and make use of all those chances. It's not just winning. Everybody cannot be decided as a winner, no? There will be one. And always learn from the one who wins. He has worked hard or she has worked hard. That is what should be the spirit of competition. Never say that I haven't prepared or I haven't done anything or I can't do it. That is the wrong thing that many of us do. Whenever you get a chance, make use of it. Let it be in sports, let it be in speeches or any other things. Hope you all have a nice day and once again wish you all a very, very happy Children's Day. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you very much, madam. A child can teach another 3 things. To be happy for no reason, to be busy with something, and to know how to demand with all his might and he want. Thank you, dear madam, for sharing wonderful thoughts with us. Dance is a divine art form that allows people to express a wide range of thoughts and emotions. Here comes our friends with their mesmerizing footsteps to entertain us. Dear friends, the stage is ready. Rock on.
Chakaraka chicha cho chakalo ram gando wando lakadaka tam akko takko idi go idi pai chiki chakacho gili mal sulu mal makarak buku re chakalaka bikko chikko sili go bakadum chakadum chiki chakacho.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई हे देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं हो हम जैसे देखें ये जहां जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ पंख जरा फैलाओ रंग नए बिखराओ चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे भला मछलियां भी क्यों उड़ती नहीं ऐसे भी सोचो ना सोचो सूरज रोज नहाए या बाल भिगो के ये बुद्धू बनाए हम ये सारे तारे टिमटिमाए या फिर गुस्से में कुछ बड़बड़ाते रहे खुल के सोचे आओ पंख जरा फैलाओ रंग नए बिखराओ चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले
I'm left speechless. It was an extraordinary performance. Thank you very much, friends, for making this day so special with your wonderful moves. Let me invite our school choir team for concluding this event with a patriotic song.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Sujalam Sufalam Malayada Shikaram Sasya Shamala Mataram Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Sujalam Sufalam Malayada Shikaram Sasya Shamala Mataram Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. बोलो भारत माता की वंदे.
We have now reached to the end of the program.
Though short, it was a memorable day.
Many are to be thanked for the successful completion of this program.
Our honorable principals, teachers, organizers, non-teaching staff, parents, and of course our dear friends. Thank you very much.
Once again, we wish you a happy Children's Day. Signing off, Chand Reddy
And Pratibha, thank you.